and Means Committee is the arm of the organization to raise funds for the operational expenses of FAGKC. And one of the most popular fundraising event is the Pinoy Breakfast.
Pinoy Breakfast came about in 2008 under Eric Sorio's administration. And he really wanted an opportunity for the Filipino community to taste Filipino breakfast. And it's been going on ever since. We try to do it once a month. It really is about tasting those Filipino breakfast items like Jeff Rocks, tocino, longanisa. Things you can't typically get at our other events like Fiesta Filipina, Ethnic Festival. So really it's an opportunity to try those foods.
It is popular because it is worked by the members enthusiastically because they start with a theme. It will be the Super Bowl, the Chiefs. So they're all excited about doing that. And we have a sponsor for the Pinoy Breakfast every month. And at the Pinoy Breakfast, we serve familiar breakfast items of the Filipinos, from the longanisa to the tocino to the fried fish. And also they are able to make their favorite dishes that we sell a la carte. So the Pinoy Breakfast is one of the most popular fundraising events of the organization, and we try to do it every month. It is basically less tedious than the other fundraising events that we have, like the fiestas. And like I said, all the ladies and the gentlemen, they are excited, enthusiastically working it together. And they have fun and they enjoy what they're doing because most of Filipinos love cooking. And this is their chance to show off their culinary abilities and their recipes, and everybody enjoys it. And I sincerely thank all of the members who volunteer to offer their time and their talent, and I encourage it very much, and like I said, very well appreciated.